Well, look here. I got another box fan. It's not like I don't have enough already. Yeah, I'm gonna open this up and we'll take a look at it. Alright, so we got a box inside a box here. Let me get this pulled out and you'll see what it is. And here we go. This is an Air King PL20P. It's got 3 metal blades, 3 speeds. Westinghouse motor, as it says right there. It's really cool that I got the original box. So let's pull the fan out and we'll take a look at it. It's in really good shape. And it's still got the original tag on there for the Westinghouse motor, which is really cool. Let me pull this out of here. And here it is. The thing is in really good condition. There's no slats missing. And I still can't get over this. I think that's really cool. Let me turn it around real quick. There we go. No missing slats on the back either. It's got a Westinghouse motor, of course. It's a little dusty, so I'll need to clean it out, but it's not bad. This thing is in really good shape. A little bit of scratching right there, but that's the only grill damage there is. And this stuff here, but other than that, this thing is in immaculate condition. As you can see, it's very clean. Just a few scratches, that's all. Alright, so I'm going to get this plugged in and we'll test it out. Alright, we're plugged in. The cord is definitely original. So let's go ahead and start off on high speed. Nice and quiet on low. Sure, it'll probably need some oil, and I'll do that when I clean the motor out. But it's not bad. Even though it says it never needs oiling, that's just simply not true. Turn it around, we'll get a startup sound, or startup sounds rather. We'll do it on all speeds. Here's high speed. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it does shake a little bit, so the blade is not perfectly balanced, but it's not bad. Not terrible. Alright, and here's medium speed. Then low speed and we'll be done. And of course, I'll make another video of this when the motor's clean. And I'll have another video of this Kmart S23 over here. So here's low. Alright, so that'll do it for this video. Actually no, I'm gonna hook this up to the kilowatt meter and we'll see how many amps it's drawing. It says up here 2.7 amps, but I don't know if that's accurate or not. So we'll see what happens. So here's the voltage we're testing on. Let's go switch over to amps and turn it on high. Medium. And low. Alright, that's it for this video.